Here we got 59 Ranchero, and Ford was the first in these kind of cars too. So he's all modified here. Molly double pumper. Side pipes, black and black. Look how that hood opens up too, man, you know? Makes more sense. Besides, if you left the freaking latch open, it'll pop open on you flying down the highway. Look at this, that was an expensive piece, putting that cover on there. Yeah, molded. Solid molded. Damn. Dual exhaust. And his lights, tail lights were made to look like, you know, that's the rocket age, you know. Backup lights and tail lights and all that. I never saw one with a cover like that, man. That's amazing. That's real solid with a gasket on it and a lip on it and all that other garbage. Dual mirrors, which 59, pretty much most of the cars didn't have dual mirrors. Man, it's a nice car, man. Holy. Amazing. Sweet puppy, man. Look at that thing.